Hey guys, welcome back to WEBB Outdoors. Today we're going to be working on a private road regrading. Pretty simple job, but the road's full of potholes from the rain, and then obviously it's lost its crown, so the water just sets in there and kind of makes a muddy mess. So we're going to hop on the John Deere 2038R today. We'll give you a little before and after on how we recover this road. Thank you. Alright, here's what we're going to be using today. This is a John Deere 2038R. It's been a pretty good tractor. It's a 38 horse. It's pretty small. It's kind of set up more for landscaping and that type of thing. But that's what I do quite a bit of. I only have about 138 hours on this now. But it's been really good. I got a 60-inch box blade, front end loader. Hoping to get a few other attachments for it. Not necessarily brand loyal to John Deere. I like a lot of Kubota equipment as well. A couple features on this that I really like, which made me go to the John Deere for this one. One being the hydrostat foot pedals. I like having the forward and the reverse pedals separate. But other than that, it's been a good tractor so far. And will work until we find a need for something bigger. Not sure if it's all going to show up on how bad this road truly is, but you can see water is just ponding up in spots where the material is low and it's lost its crown. It's actually setting below the ditch line. We will be using a 60-inch box blade today. We're not hauling in any more material. We're just going to be reworking this. There's about 5 or 6 houses on this road. It's just a private road that's not maintained by the county or the state. So we are brought in and we're gonna fix it up for everybody. All right, we got a finished product. The sun's pretty bright today, so I'm not sure how well this is going to show. It's a nice fall day, but we got this regraded. Looks really good. What I did along the ditch line is I ran my box blade about half off of there and dug up the ditch a little bit. I've got a nice finished product, so now the water will run off the side hopefully and get rid of the potholes. We have a nice smooth road now, and thanks for watching.